Cheers. So, Lindsay, today we're going to make NOatmeal.
NOatmeal.
Now, why would somebody want NOatmeal?
Someone might want NOatmeal because we do get a lot of questions from our community about people who feel like they're sensitive to eggs, and I know that you can't relate to this at all, but they get bored.
No, I can
eating
totally
eggs.
relate. Yeah, for sure.
So this is just a great, easy, egg-free breakfast option that you can make Primal, you can make keto-friendly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with a 1/4 cup each of, in this case we used pecans and we used almonds, but you can actually use whatever nut you want. These cases, we soak them already. You can soak them for 20 minutes up to overnight.
Now we soak them because we're trying to, number one, make them easier to work with in terms of the grinding and processing. It is a more traditional way of preparing nuts, seeds, sprouts, things like that. And also phytates, right?
Right,
We're sort of denaturing the phytates so they don't bind with minerals and leach the calcium out of your body. That's the theory anyway.
It is the theory. So sometimes if you feel like you don't handle nuts well, if you don't digest them well, if you feel like you maybe get a little bloated when you eat nuts, you can try soaking them. The longer the better. So this is something where you can set them to soak the night before, get up, drain them real fast, and then you can start your NOatmeal and have it ready for 5 minutes in the morning.
There you go. Okay.
Okay, so Sous Chef Mark, would you like to add our
Don't mind if I do.
1/4 cup of pecans,
Okay.
1/4 cup of almonds, and then a 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut.
Unsweetened shredded coconut.
You can also do this in a blender, of course.
Okay, yeah. There we go.
Pop the lid on.
Anything else? Okay,
That's
here we
it
go.
for now.
Okay. All right, let's see, get it the right way. There we
we
go.
And now we're just gonna pulse it until it becomes like the texture of coarse grain.
Just like that, right? We getting there?
A little bit more. Okay. It's probably good enough. You can see it's
Yeah,
it's not.
There I just want a little bit more. Okay, good. There we go.
All right, so let's open this back up.
Okay.
And now we're just gonna throw in the rest of the ingredients. So what we're gonna do is 1/2 cup of full fat coconut milk. You can also use heavy whipping cream if you don't like coconut milk, but we're gonna use coconut milk.
Awesome.
We're gonna throw in 1 pitted date that we soaked in hot water for 20 minutes.
And we were certain we pitted.
We're certain we pitted it.
Okay.
You can soak this one overnight too. Now, dates are obviously an ingredient that we wouldn't necessarily eat in the keto community.
Right.
If we're primal, yes, it's a completely primal friendly sweetener. So if you want to omit the date, that's possible. I mean, the nuts are sweet enough on their own. Or you can add something like a few drops of stevia. If you like yacon syrup, that's an option. So, but we're gonna go with the date.
Okay. And
Pulse
again.
it up a few more times.
What do you think?
Okay, and then we're gonna throw in 1, probably let's go heaping tablespoon.
Oh, my lovely Primal Fuel, vanilla Primal
We're using
Fuel.
the vanilla, but you can actually also use the chocolate. Why not too?
No, just.
And then we're gonna add just a little hint of salt.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. Nice. Okay.
And then we're gonna secure the lid again. And now we're just gonna run this until it becomes completely smooth.
Oh, there you go. Looking good. Right?
That's great.
Yeah. You think we're good?
Yeah, let's stop that.
Okay.
Let's open it up.
All right.
Scrape down the sides a little bit. So this is gonna be, you can see it looks like oatmeal. It has the texture of oatmeal. If you were really going for like a not cream of wheat, you could blend it for another minute or two. It's really completely up to your preferences. And then now you have the option, we're just gonna put it right in a bowl here.
Okay.
Or you can actually transfer it to the stove top in a little saucepan and you can actually heat it up. So if you're really going for a warm breakfast option, you can heat this up. But because I usually am trying to hustle in the morning, I'm just gonna go ahead. Don't cut yourself.
No, ma'am.
All right, there you go. Primal
Cool.
NOatmeal for 1.
Now, if you wanted to add anything to it, what would you add, for instance?
So for instance, you might put more shredded coconut on top.
All right.
I like fresh blueberries, fresh raspberries are a great option. You can also do another sprinkling of crushed nuts if you want.
Yeah.
Or if you're feeling really fancy, throw a little bit of cinnamon on top, maybe some dark chocolate or cacao nibs on top.
Oh.
And there you go.
Lots of variety here. Looks really good.
It is good.
Can I try some?
Please.
All right, don't mind if I do. Wow. It's really good.
It is good, right?
Yeah.